how to remove text from image on Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can remove text from image on Photopea. The first step is to select the text, select the image whose text you want to remove and open up the project. So once you're on this project, enable the transform controls at the top part of the screen, just like I have done here, and then select the text that you'd like to remove. Once that is done, move over to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons, and then click on the magic wand. Once you click on the magic wand, select the magic wand, and then long press on the shift icon to select the text one after the other. Now, currently, I am unable to select text one after the other because of an issue I'm having with my Photopea account currently. But for you, ensure you select the text one after the other. Then once you've selected the text one after the other, go to the top part of the screen where a menu is being displayed. And then in this menu, select the Select tab. And then the box displayed, click on Modify. Then click on Expand. And then you can just expand the PX to any amount of your choice. But it must be higher than the current size, and then click OK. And then once that is done, go back to the top part of the screen and then click on the edit option. Once you click on the edit option, this fill option, which is located below clear, would be activated. For me, mine is not activated because I am able to select the text one after the other. But we once you'll be able to select text one after the other, click on the fill option. And then once you click on the fill option, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, select content aware. All right, once you click on content aware, the text would disappear, and then once you're done, go back to the select option and click on the select, and just like that, the text will be removed. It's very simple. Just follow what I have said and you'll be fine. So this is how you can remove text from image in Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.